Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 223 Barto. Guy was out here yesterday, or the other day, or whatever, yesterday or something like that. And he's cabling it, and he located a clean out here in the yard, and he tried cabling from there. And wasn't able to pass about 15 feet. I came out here, I augered it. I ended up trying to run a big 4-inch cutter and a small 2-inch cutter, and then I went down and just bare cable, and I still kept pulling back mud. I couldn't get anywhere. Couldn't get past that trap. Probably going to be collapsing. They're going to recommend it to be repaired there. Let's see, it's backed up and backing out into the yard. It's a slab house. There is no basement. So when the yard fills up enough out here, it fills up the tub and toilet, all that good stuff. We'll put it down here and get a depth on this and see if we can't push through that trap. This is about as far as my camera is going. I really don't want to push it too hard to get my camera stuck in this line. Like I said, I kept pulling back a whole lot of mud. I'm going to go ahead and locate it and mark it. Be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and located this line. Next, right here at the trap. About a foot and a half away. It's 8 feet, 3 inches deep. I recommend this line to be repaired right here. Recommend us to take this trap out, repair the remainder of the line. Yeah, my camera's got a bunch of mud. We're out of the trap now, and got a bunch of mud on the end of it. So, yeah, definitely going to recommend that to be repaired. Alrighty, thank you.